How to take care of a motorcycle air filter. Motorcycle air filters are very easy to service on your bike. And hey, your bike needs gas, oil, and air to run properly. Luckily, taking care of the air filter is probably the easiest part of motorcycle maintenance. Now, you probably spend big bucks for your bike and you want to take care of it. Sure, you could bring it into the dealer, but at today's prices, hey, a lot of tune-ups today go for over $300. And if you study just a couple things and you practice, you can do most of the tune-ups yourself. So anyway, let's go into this and see what you have to do. Now, on a lot of bikes, the air filters are paper, and the paper air filters usually can't be cleaned. I mean, when you open them up and take a look at it, if it's pretty dirty, you should just replace it. I wouldn't recommend a paper air filter, and if you have one, you should consider replacing it with a cleanable air filter. So that's what we're going to talk about here. That's what's on my bike. And this is my bike. It's a 2017 modified Big Dog K9. Now, no matter what your bike, as I said before, taking care of the air filter is very important and luckily very easy to do. There are so many different types of air cleaners. You should check your manual and make sure you know how to remove it. The one on my Big Dog just has 3 bolts on it. They're chrome bolts, then they come off with a hex wrench, so it's really no problem at all. And once you take the cover off, you'll be exposing the filter. And again, here you can see on a Big Dog K9, this is a paper filter on an '09 bike, and that's not cleanable, as I said before. Here's what's on my 2017. It's a foam cleanable filter. Now, the way to clean it is right here, and this is what I'd recommend. It's easy, and you know you're getting the right oil and everything. It's a K&N recharger kit. And basically what it has in it is the cleaner that you need, and then the light oil to re-oil the filter with. And the process is really basically simple. It's all laid out on the box, so you could just follow the instructions there. But basically what it is that you're going to take the foam filter off the bike, and then you're going to spray the cleaner on it. You're going to let that sit for a while, probably about 10 minutes or so, and then you're going to wash it off with water. Then you let that dry. I would say probably have to let it dry, depending on where you're living, overnight. And once it's real dry, then you want to take the oil that's in the kit and spray it. Make sure you cover all of it. I'd spray both the outside ring and the inside. And not a lot of oil, but you want oil in there because it's that oil and the filter that's going to trap the very small dirt. And after you do that, you just reinstall it. And I probably do that once a season. If you're riding a lot of dirt roads and stuff, you probably should be doing it more often than that. And that's basically it. Put your cover back on. Don't forget to use Loctite. And hey, you're off. If you can't find that K&N kit, I'd recommend using my affiliate link in the description below.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.